Hey there, plant lovers! Let's explore some of the most peculiar, most exquisite, and most mysterious of plants that our intriguing planet has to offer. The world of plants is vast, diverse, and brimming with surprising wonders. Our journey begins with the corpse flower. Have you ever heard of it? It is a unique specimen, an outlier in the expansive realm of botanical wonders, a plant teeming with strange and interesting qualities worth investigating. The corpse flower, scientifically known as Amorphophallus titanum, is an enchanting enigma of the plant world. It's an organism that demands our attention, insists on our curiosity, and unfailingly rewards our interest. This titanic flower has a peculiar, even bizarre method of attracting pollinators. It releases an odor, a stench that closely resembles rotting flesh. This overpowering aroma, while repugnant to human senses, is a veritable feast for carrion beetles and flies that are the main pollinators of the corpse flower. It's a remarkable testament to the ingenuity of nature, leveraging the grotesque to uphold the cycle of life. Setting the corpse flower aside, we move on to another botanical wonder, the flytrap. An emblem of nature's inventiveness and adaptability, this plant is nothing short of remarkable. The Venus flytrap, a renowned member of the carnivorous plant family, is a true spectacle of nature. Unlike the majority of plants that rely on photosynthesis for sustenance, the Venus flytrap has deviated from the norm, adopting a more predatory approach. It clamps down on its unsuspecting prey in a split second, leaving absolutely no room for escape. Their rapid response mechanism is an evolutionary marvel, making these plants one of the most intriguing flora species on the planet. As we delve deeper into the world of plants, we encounter specimens known not only for their unusual attributes, but also for their breathtaking beauty. Let's journey to the land of the rising sun, Japan, and marvel at the ethereal beauty of the cherry blossoms, or sakura, as they are known locally. These flowers symbolize Japan's national pride and joy. Their fleeting bloom, which lasts for merely a week or two, is emblematic of the transient nature of life. The sakura season is celebrated with hanami parties under the blooming trees, a tradition that has been upheld for centuries. This celebration of beauty and the fleeting nature of life is a profound reflection of the Japanese philosophy of mono no aware, which appreciates the beauty in ephemeral things. Heading towards the conclusion of our journey, we find ourselves in the presence of the surreal beauty of the jade vine. This plant, with its cascading turquoise flowers, is a sight that can leave any observer spellbound. Native to the tropical rainforests of the Philippines, the jade vine represents nature at its most enchanting. Its unique coloration and form make it one of nature's most stunning creations, a symbol of the boundless diversity and wonder that nature holds. We've made an incredible journey today, traversing the globe, venturing through rainforests, wandering through meadows, and navigating the intriguing world of plants. We've marveled at nature's eccentricities and its sublime beauty. We've discovered how plants, with their diverse forms, aromas, and behaviors, create a lush tapestry of life that enriches our planet. This journey serves as a reminder that nature's beauty lies in its diversity. It is an inexhaustible source of wonder and fascination, a treasure trove of life that invites us to learn, explore, and admire. So as we come to the end of our adventure, remember to stay curious, stay enchanted, and most importantly, stay green.